Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page, we click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite and you can click here update to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.